Welcome to the INFINIX Hot 12i, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's open just the screen where you want to add the widget, and after that just hold for a while with your finger your device home screen, and then you'll see here the widgets icon. Just tap here once, and now we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, we can see that the weather application has 2 widgets. The settings app has only 1 shortcut. The maps, for example, we can find here the 6 widgets. For example, in calendar we can use also only 1 widget, so let's use this one. Just to add the widget, you can just tap here or just hold it and drag it to your screen by this way, and we can see that it's automatically here on our device home screen. If you want to move the widgets between the screens, just hold it and drag it here to the right side. Also, we can create the new screens for the widget. Just hold it and drag it here. If you want to resize the widget, just hold it and tap to resize, and now we can make it bigger or smaller. And if you want to remove the widget, just hold it and tap here to remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.